My name is Paul Nagel. I'm Vice President of Lighting and Comfort Solutions here at Control4, and I'm proud to be able to show you our new panelized lighting solution as well as our new wireless lighting solution. Both of them offer a no-compromise solution to today's lighting problems, including the ever-changing loads, and the ability to have compatibility with those loads as they move into the future. I want to start off with panelized first. Panelized lighting product offers 120 volts to 277 volts. It's DIN rail mounted, so Control4 can use Control4's cabinets as well as third-party cabinets. But that allows for a very elegant integration into the job site, all being able to mount like this. And we offer no compromise as far as the load compatibility that we offer as well. They are Ethernet controlled, so that makes it very easy to distribute these modules around the home. But more importantly, this one, the adaptive phase dimmer, controls 8 channels of load control, anywhere from incandescence to LED to MLV. There's virtually no dimmable load that we can't control. So once again, able to adapt to current lighting demands as well as future. Of course, we have our relay control module. It's 8 channels, 20 amps each, and so you can even disconnect and control outlet modules in a home. So not only water pumps and those big current loads, but also sections of the home if that's necessary. New for us is 0 to 10 volt control. Of course, this is the emerging way to control LED lighting, but also has been around for a while for controlling CF, compact fluorescent ballast as well as fluorescent ballast with 0 to 10. Kind of new for us is a Ethernet switch. This provides a lot of convenience and elegance of wiring for the dealers when wiring up these devices to Ethernet. It can be mounted on DIN rail as well, and because of this we have a bridge to Ethernet for our wired keypad gateway and our power supplies that allow our EU and our US form factor keypads to be distributed with low voltage. But there's also a very novel way to provide failover capability, so that should the Control4 controller be not reachable, these keypads will act independently and control those modules automatically for the homeowner, so the homeowner is never without their ability to control their lights. Also, what's very interesting is our new wireless product. This is a new, elegant, sophisticated design with an improved look and feel from our last generation. This leverages 8 years of experience doing lighting control, wireless lighting control. But we also have expanded capabilities. Once again, we have the adaptive phase dimmer. Once again, it can control anything from MLVs to LEDs to incandescent bulbs, and do it also from 120 volts, 240 volts, and 277 volts. So for commercial, US commercial jobs, you can use our panelized lighting or our wireless lighting products. We have a new lower cost auxiliary keypad that allows a very elegant way to control and more cost-effective way of controlling those 3-way, 4-way switch locations. New in the product line is a fan speed controller. Once again, being able to control elegantly ceiling fans and fan types within the home. This only is a 120 volt product, and we're really excited about the keypad dimmer. This is an adaptive phase dimmer and a configurable keypad all in one. So this allows you the customability of being able to put any buttons you want in any location, but also control a load as well. So there may be applications where you only had a dimmer or a switch location for a load and you want to put a keypad. Here's the product that will allow you to do that. The configurable keypad is really a novel solution for us, with being able to have a 1 high up to 6 or 7 buttons, as well as just 2 buttons. There's 37 different combinations of buttons that you can put here. Those are all delivered in one product, and the dealer can configure it at the job site. Of course, we have the conventional forward phase dimmer. That's very traditional, you know, for big incandescent loads, high wattage incandescent loads. That's a workhorse as well. And this is another configurable keypad that happens to be in the display here. Also, just like in the panelized lighting solution, we have a 0 to 10 volt control, once again, to be able to control those new emerging 0 to 10 volt LED controls, but also the fluorescent ballasts as well. And of course we have our switch. Now, you know, being able to switch, you know, the normal high current loads. New for this generation family is 9 colors plus 3 metal face plates. So you see here some representations of the matte black, but we also have that in gloss, light almond, white. We have gloss white, and many other colors, you know, including biscuit and almond. So you'll be able to see these different styles. I also want to point out that we have Venetian bronze faceplates here, satin nickel, and stainless steel being represented in this device. What's really cool about these products is they all can be backlit engraved, including the dimmers and switches. So for the first time, you can see these two here are backlighting, have backlighting engraving on them. This can be all custom, and we have an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the backlight intensity to the light intensity of the room. Right now you see most of them are off, but that's because through extensive study with customers and beta customers along the way, we found that when the light in a particular room gets particularly bright, the readability is actually best when you turn the backlight off. And then as the light level in the room dims, it elegantly lifts and brightens the backlight color so you can read it comfortably in dim lit, and then in completely dark it is dim so that it's not keeping you up at night. So we can demonstrate and show you. The other novel thing about this is the two devices, the two different systems can be put together as a hybrid system. Maybe some of a home is panelized, some of it is wireless, and they can be integrated seamlessly through the Composer project. I just turned all the lights on, I can control all the lights off, in the same way representing the panelized lighting loads being turned off as well. And vice versa, I can come over here to the panelized on a keypad and dim up all of the wireless lighting loads and control them elegantly. So to the end customer, seamless integration. To you, the dealer, really easy integration using Composer, allowing you to be more efficient in getting those jobs done. We're very proud of this new product line and encourage you to check it out when you get a chance, and you'll be impressed with how easy it is to integrate, and your customers will be impressed with how seamlessly and elegantly they can use the product. Thanks.